Hi Aries, this is your monthly reading for the month of August. I'm going to look at your energies which are in front of me. I have clarified it. The setup is a bit different because I am traveling. So we will start your reading. This is for the sun sign and the ascendant maybe for the month of August. What's coming to you? So in your environment, there is this hangman and the daughter of swords, that is page of swords. So hangman and the page of swords is you are in a time of inaction. Maybe some of you are wanting to do many things, but you cannot do it, or you cannot move forward because of things around you. External situations are forcing you to sacrifice your time, your love, or something like that is happening. You cannot take action and you are waiting for your chance. You are waiting for your move. You are wanting to make a move, but you are waiting for that. So waiting for the right time, not being able to push yourself in love, push yourself in profession, waiting for the right time to strike. So this is the energy I am seeing in your environment. What's happening with your love life is there are these two cards, lovers and the chariot card in August. So in August, what's happening is you have a partner or you have a good relationship with someone, but this person is committed to someone else, or you are committed to someone else, or both of you are committed to someone else, married to someone else, but you guys love each other. So either it is starting or it is an old relationship, but the relationship looks strong. So you have to make a decision how to take it forward, and with the go-getter energy and the target that you have, that you want to achieve, you are focused on this love choice. You are focused on this partner. If you do not have a partner, then someone is approaching you and you will make a decision. But if you have a partner, both of you are committed to someone else and you are wanting to have a togetherness of some sort, but you cannot make a move right now, or there is something which is making it slow, or there is a delay. So with the Six of Wands, there can be a little bit of happiness or victory of some sort in your life. In terms of profession, the lovers and the chariot can mean that financially success will come to you, stability can come to you. You just have to keep working, doing your job, focusing on your targets, making the correct decisions. You will be able to achieve financial or professional success. But in love, it means that you don't have there is some kind of unrequited love here, and both of you have something for each other, but you cannot consummate that love. So Six of Wands tells me that there can be short-term victories in love or profession. With the Queen of Wands energy, you could be in a go-getter approach. You could be very smart, very magnetic. You actually do not need anyone in your life, and you are not too emotional as well in this time period, because you know the truth, you know the reality, and you are moving forward with a you are convinced about something and you are moving forward. So basically you are smart, magnetic, very charming, very attractive in this time period. Self-love energy, new love energies, or cure treatments, feeling better, and coming out of stagnation of some kind is predicted in August. However, the environment is keeping you stuck in something and not letting you take action, but you will take action while you are waiting. You are making a plan and things will change for you. For some of you, there will be a choice to move forward with the lovers and the chariot. You could be going on a journey and that journey will be successful. With the Prince of Cups, Queen of Cups energy, with the Queen of Wands, there are people around you who are of the fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, feminine energy, masculine, night energy. So there are people around you who could be bringing in love for you. In terms of your love, you are very confident because you are doing well in your profession, in your economy, and that gives you confidence. That gives you confidence in life, and that's why you are not dependent on anyone. You could be away from some people, or you could be thinking about, uh, you know, um, some place which is away from you. In terms of your relationships, you could be going through conflicts with Five of Wands, but they will be mitigated. Ten of Swords, you could feel that something is ending in your life and it's a karmic ending with someone. You could be going through problems in relationships. You could be going through problems in external relationships, joint family, family problems, brother, sister, mother, father, parents, children, that kind of issue for someone, or there is someone or the other who could be creating, tensions or conflict, but it doesn't matter to you because you are the Queen of you are the in the Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands energy. So you are very self-sufficient. You know how to enjoy your life. You know that how to take things without being codependent on someone. So you are smart. Seven of Wands is telling us it's obstacle position for you. Obstacle, Seven of Wands means that there is conflict around you. There are haters around you. There are competitors around you. So there can be conflicts and they will be pulling you in useless conflicts. So in that situation, you just have to feel confident. You just have to feel self-confident, self-reliant. You don't need anyone in relationships. That is the energy that is coming through. However, some masculine energies or your own energy of the Emperor will support you. You know how to handle things. You are very disciplined. You have power. You can take control. And there are powerful people around you who support you. So you have a support system. You have your own confidence. You are the Emperor, Aries. So you take control of situations to resolve. You take control of situations to resolve. However, the environment does not let you do so, but you will take control. In terms of haters and conflict makers and unnecessary anxieties, because you are dragged into it, but you finally take control. So that is the advantage energy for you. So the Emperor is your advantage energy in August. In terms of work, what's happening is you have gone through some slumps. You have gone through surprise attacks on your job or profession. And there are materialistic circumstances that push you, pull you, give you awakening, but there is a Queen of Swords energy around you. This could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, or someone who could be a bit mean or self-centered, or you need to take an unemotional, reasonable approach in terms of your profession to get out of stuck energies, codependence, or some kind of stuck material energies. So what is predicted in your career is Four of Wands. So Four of Wands is stability. Four of Wands is a happy home, having a shelter, having good stable condition, good rewards in your economy. You just have to push yourself. You have to be optimistic about your near future with the Three of Wands, Four of Wands energy in your profession and economy. Nine of Wands is telling me that you don't give up easily. You are very courageous and you win in the end and you keep standing. So that is the final energy for you. So Nine of Wands is your outcome energy as well. So Nine of Wands tells me that you are courageous despite problems, errors, troubles, bad health, attacks on you, whatever is coming to you. You have your Ten of Pentacles, you have your Nine of Pentacles. So you are in a good position for long-term future, family fortunes. You will have beneficial returns in this time period. So let's read out the Lenormand for the month. you have got the 31 number card, the Sun card for you. So conscious of your own chances, problems will be resolved. That's the message and the meaning. Capitalize on your talents and trust yourself. So you, Aries, could be very talented. You are having some craft or the other with which you move forward your and that gives you confidence. So the 9 of Pentacles, the Emperor, the 10 of Pentacles tells me that you work very hard, you have total control over your financial situation. So the work and business front is animated with important changes in August, reassuring news from afar. Advantageous contracts and good proposals are coming to you. A boss can be very helpful and they have helped you to grow professionally. Discussions at work, you could be discussing work problems and defending people who are victims of injustice. You could be a lawyer, you could be an NGO worker, you could be someone who is a leader, some kind of leader. So you could be having union commitments, some of you. Important news is unexpected and it is coming to you. Advantageous proposal, job contract, beneficial transfer or a trip can come to you. Artistic career or politics will be very beneficial. Some of you will be finishing studies and getting high level position. Deserved public recognition for some of you can come in the month of August. So money wise, well meditated expenses, cultural trip to your homeland can happen. Economic calm will be coming to you. There could be contracts that will be solving your financial crisis. Sorry. So this is all a stopgap measure. So the camera slid. So now let me finish with the feeling sector. What is coming in your feelings situation? Pure happiness can come to you. Outside events have forced you to take a stand for your loved ones. There will be wedding announcement for some of you. Reassuring decisive news from family or distant partner. Move or a birth can take place for some of you. Everyone does their own part. A long-awaited arrival of a child can happen in the month of August. Some of you will be reuniting with your children, your pets in this time period. So, Aries, this is what I have for you. If you have liked this reading, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any problems in your life and you cannot solve it with these videos, watching these videos of mine or of other people, you can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me. My email ID is there in the description box, so you can write to me and I will let you know how to book these readings. I will finish this reading just right now because it will slide once again. So bye bye, and I'll be back to my station within 15 days. So after that we will have a stable broadcast. So bye bye.